we came up with the concept, I was lucky enough to run into an angel investor who said, figure out what the need is before you just design, an invention. What's the true need? And one of the things that we realized while researching the vertical farming industry, so that's the industry where they're doing multiple levels of plants, multiple stacks, one on top of another, is that the majority of the plants in those spaces are short. That they're shrubs, lettuce, microgreens, herbs, very short things. But what about the robust plants, the plants with a lot of fruit, a lot of weight to them? So we designed this really to target that market, to allow people to diversify the types of plants that can be grown indoors. And what we really want to do is get this to the point where we're able to grow trees inside.
Oh, fabulous.
I mean, can you imagine what we can do if we're able to harvest trees indoors? There's lots of possibilities with that as well.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow. Once this is up and running, where do you see Trella Technologies in the upcoming future efforts?
Yeah. Well, I always joke that what I really would like to do with this is to grow a peach tree in my basement. I don't know if I can replicate the peaches from Georgia, et cetera. But we really want to see this utilized on a large scale. It has the capacity to be on NASA shuttles. We are going to be growing food in locations that we've never really experienced before.